Hi, Dan Murphy here from Coldwell Banker American Homes. Let's be real. The housing market has cooled off from the peak frenzy we've seen in the past 2 years. And I'm sure if you're looking to sell your house, you're probably wondering what that means for you. My advice is very simple. Recognize that this isn't the same market as the one we had last year. But that doesn't mean you've missed your opportunity. It just means that you need a partner to help you price your house based on where we are right now. Here's why it's worth it to price your house at today's market value. The right price can help you attract more buyers, even as demand pulls back and mortgage rates rise. And getting more buyer attention on your house positions you to maximize your sale price and sets you up to sell your house as quickly as possible, even in a shifting market. Now, I know you want to sell your house for as much as you can. I would want to also. But I promise you, overpricing your house is a mistake. If you want to minimize your hassles and get the best final sale price possible, call or text the number on the screen. Let me help you find the right list price for your house today. I would love an opportunity to gain your trust. I'm Dan Murphy with Coldwell Banker American Homes. Have a great day.